Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the Redmi Watch 5, a sleek and lightweight smartwatch that combines a bright, immersive display with reliable health sensors, versatile fitness modes, smooth performance, smart daily features, and a long-lasting battery to elevate your routine with comfort and style. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Redmi Watch 5. Magnetic charging cable. User manual including warranty notice. Technical specifications. The Redmi Watch 5 is a sleek and lightweight smartwatch with a durable aluminum alloy frame and reinforced protective glass. It sports a 2.07-inch AMOLED display with 432 by 514 resolution and up to 1,500 nits brightness, housed in a 47.5mm case weighing just 33.5 grams. Powered by Xiaomi HyperOS, it offers smooth performance and supports Android 8.0 Plus and iOS 12.0 Plus, packed with essential sensors like heart rate with SpO₂, accelerometer, gyroscope, ambient light, and compass. It monitors heart rate, SpO₂, sleep, stress, breathing, women's health, and 150 plus workout modes. With 5 ATM water resistance and a 550 mAh battery, lasting up to 24 days, it's ready for anything. Stay connected via Bluetooth 5.3 and built-in GNSS, navigate with the touchscreen and side button, and take calls with its speaker and microphone. Available in obsidian black, silver gray, and lavender purple, the Redmi Watch 5 combines style, performance, and smart fitness tracking for your everyday lifestyle. Product features. The 2.07-inch AMOLED screen delivers sharp 432 by 514 resolution with up to 1,500 nits brightness. This ensures crystal clear visibility even in bright sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor workouts or glances at notifications. The large, colorful display also enhances the overall user experience with smooth animations and easy navigation. Equipped with heart rate and SpO₂ sensors, the watch monitors your health continuously. It also tracks sleep, stress, breathing, and women's health, while supporting over 150 workout modes. This makes it a versatile companion for both casual users and fitness enthusiasts. Powered by a 550 mAh battery, the Redmi Watch 5 can last up to 24 days under typical use. This reduces the need for frequent charging, ensuring your smartwatch is always ready to track workouts, monitor health, and handle notifications without interruptions. With Bluetooth 5.3 and built-in GNSS support, it keeps you connected for calls, notifications, and GPS-based fitness tracking. The touchscreen interface, combined with a side button, makes navigation simple, while the built-in speaker and microphone allow easy Bluetooth calling. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The Redmi Watch 5 features a clean and functional layout. On the front, the display screen provides a clear interface for viewing time, notifications, and fitness data. The power button on the side allows you to turn the watch on/off and navigate menus. At the back, the sensor monitors heart rate and SpO₂, while contact points enable charging. The speaker handles alerts and calls, and the quick-release buttons let you easily swap straps, making the watch both versatile and user-friendly. How to pair. To pair the Redmi Watch 5, start by powering on the watch, then install the Xiaomi Wear or Xiaomi Wear Lite app on your Android or iOS device. Open the app, sign in, or create a Xiaomi account and tap the Add Device or Plus option. Select Watch and choose Redmi Watch 5 from the list. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on, then scan the QR code on the watch if prompted. Confirm the pairing request on both devices. Wait for the initial sync to complete and follow any on-screen instructions to finish setup. Your watch is now ready to use, and you can customize watch faces, notifications, and health tracking. How to charge? Connect the Redmi Watch 5 to its magnetic charging cable, ensuring the back of the watch aligns correctly with the charger. Connect the charging cable to a power adapter, and the watch will automatically begin charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to reset your watch. Resetting the watch using the On-Device Settings menu. Open Settings on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Reset. Confirm by tapping Reset again. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Reset using hardware buttons. Make sure the watch is powered off. Press and hold the power or home button until the Xiaomi logo appears. Release the button briefly, then press and hold again to enter recovery mode. Use the touch screen or side buttons to navigate to wipe data or factory reset. Confirm your choice. The watch will reset and reboot to factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Mi Fitness app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the Redmi Watch 5 features a premium aluminum alloy frame that feels more solid and durable, while the Redmi Watch 5 Lite uses a lightweight plastic design, making it more comfortable but less premium in comparison. Moving to the display and sizes, the Redmi Watch 5 offers a larger 2.07-inch AMOLED screen with higher brightness and sharper clarity, making it easier to view outdoors. Meanwhile, the Watch 5 Lite comes with a smaller 1.96-inch AMOLED display, still vibrant, but not as bright or immersive as the main Watch 5. For battery and performance, the Redmi Watch 5 packs a bigger 550 mAh battery that lasts up to around 24 days, giving you stronger endurance. In comparison, the Watch 5 Lite carries a 470 mAh battery with about 18 days of typical use, offering decent longevity but slightly less than the Watch 5. Pros and cons. The Redmi Watch 5 brings a bright AMOLED display, strong 2-week battery life, and reliable health tracking with heart rate, SpO₂, sleep, stress, and over 150 workout modes. It features an accurate built-in GPS, a lightweight and comfortable design, 5 ATM water resistance, and smooth performance for everyday use. However, it lacks third-party app support, doesn't offer music storage, has region-dependent voice assistant features, and the touchscreen may be less responsive when wet. Strap options are also limited due to its proprietary design. But overall, it delivers excellent value with a clean, capable, and well-balanced smartwatch experience. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.